Good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss now the Science 9 Term 1 Week 4. For day 2, we are going to tackle the simple electric circuit. Objectives: identify the parts of a simple electric circuit. Number 2, show appreciation of electricity in daily life and draw a simple electric circuit correctly. So, light it up challenge. So, magdala kayo ng mga materials na to. Battery, small bulb, connecting wires. Instructions: divide the class into small groups, 3 to 4 students per group. Give each group one battery, one bulb, and 2 wires. Challenge the group to make the bulb light using the materials. Students may try different ways of connecting the materials. Allow 5 to 7 minutes for exploration. Remind students to handle the materials carefully. For safety reminder, do not connect the battery wires directly for a long time. Avoid short circuits. Discovery: the bulb lights only when the circuit is complete. That is closed circuit. Electricity flows from the battery through the wires to the bulb and back to the battery. Okay, short story about the broken lamp. Mark tried to read his book at night, but the lamp beside his bed did not turn on. He checked the bulb and the plug, but the bulb was still not lighting. He later noticed that the switch was turned off. Even though the lamp was connected to the power source, electricity could not flow because the path was open. When Mark turned the switch on, the circuit became complete and the lamp finally lit. This story shows that electricity needs a complete path to flow. If the path is broken, electrons cannot move and electrical devices will not work. For guide questions regarding that story, why did the lamp not work at first? Okay, the lamp did not work because the circuit was open. Pag sinabing open yung circuit, the switch was off. Yun, tanda natin. Pag naka-off, open. Electricity could not flow. What happened when the switch was turned on? So, kapag tinurn on mo, close mo yung circuit. When the switch was turned on, the circuit became closed and electricity started to flow, making the lamp light. What does a switch do in a circuit? So, it controls the flow of electricity by opening or closing the circuit. So, napakahalaga ng switch. Kasi kung hindi mo nagagamitin, you have to disconnect using the switch. Okay, let us unlock this this vocabulary words. Path where electricity flows. Okay, that is circuit. Electrical energy source. Okay, voltage. Flow of electrons. Okay, current. Device that uses electricity. Okay, ang tawag po doon sa mga devices natin na gumagamit ng kuryente ay load. Okay, material that allows electricity to pass. Yung tinatawag na conductor. Controls electricity flow o yung switch. Broken path. Okay, that is open circuit. Complete path or closed, that is closed circuit. Simple electric circuit. Ayan, tingnan nyo sa picture. Ito nasa kaliwang part, ito yung actual na kung titignan natin. Ito nasa kanan, ito yung mga symbol na ginagamit. So, simulan natin dito sa source, sa battery. Sa source, ganito ang symbol niya. Sa switch naman, so iba't ibang design ng switch sa actual. Ganito ang itsura niya sa symbol, sa illustration. And then resistor, ganito. And then yung load. Yan. Okay, a simple electric circuit is a path that allows electricity to flow and consists of 4 main parts. Ano-ano yon? Voltage or the source or the battery. The source provides energy for electron movement. Tanda po lang natin, yung voltage source, kumbaga, yun yung nagmo-motivate. Kumbaga, sa inyo, sa mga mag-aaral, ano yung motivation nyo para pumasok? Baon? Si crush, katapat po nun, voltage kung sa electron. Kung walang voltage, walang magmo-motivate kay electron para gumalaw. Example nga niyan, battery or power supply or generator. Okay, number 2, connecting wires. So, siyempre, yan yung daanan. So, serve as the path for electricity or connector from the source going to the other parts. Usually made up of conductors like copper. Because copper is one of the good conductor, napakababa ng resistance niya. Pero kung may ano nga po, kung mura lang ang ginto, ang gold, mas maganda 'yon, mas mababa ang resistance niya. Kaya lang yung copper pa nga lang, yung tanso, nawawala na kasi mahal na. How much more kung gold? Okay, switch controls the flow of electricity. When on, circuit closed. electricity flows. When off, circuit open, electricity stops. So load, yung pang-apat, bulb or resistor. So uses electrical energy. Ito na yung kino-convert niya ang electricity to another form of energy. Halimbawa, electric fan, ang kailangan mo yung mechanical, yung galaw niya. So electrical to mechanical. Kapag bulb, kailangan mo yung ilaw niya, yung liwanag. So it converts electricity to other form. Okay, converts electricity into light, heat, or other forms of energy. Tingnan na yung pagkakaiba ng open circuit sa closed circuit. Kapag closed, that is on, naka-on. Kapag open, that is off. Off ang switch. Walang daloy kapag open. So kapag open, hindi gagana. Yan. Open circuit, switch is off. Path is broken, current cannot flow. So bulb does not light. So hindi gagana. Kapag naman closed circuit, switch is on, path is not broken, current can flow, and bulb lights. Situation number 1, lamp switch. Why does a lamp not work when the switch is off? So because the circuit is open, so walang daloy ng kuryente. Number 2, battery removal. Pag tinanggal mo ang battery, walang source. Siyempre, sabi nga natin kanina, the battery is the source of voltage. Na yun ang magmo-motivate kay electron para gumalaw. So wala siyang motivation, walang energy. So the energy source is gone. So electrons cannot move in the circuit. Okay, activity, individual activity, circuit drawing and labeling instruction. Draw a simple electric circuit. Label the following: battery, wire, switch, bulb. Yung 4 main parts. So correct path, parts, all parts correctly drawn. Labeling, clear and complete. Netness, very net. 5 points, yan yung criteria.